Welcome to the Support Center. My name is Tom. We're going to look at the business directory tool and how you as an admin can post businesses to your admin site, show up on your family site, and how families can submit businesses for admin approval that then will appear on the website as well. So let's dive in here. So to get there, I'm actually have two website tabs open, something I like to do to make it a little bit simpler to manage multiple things. I've got a tab open to the admin homepage, and I've got a tab open logged in as a family to show you guys how this works. So if we click on admin home here, I'm on the admin home page. I will go to tools and business directory, and here is the business directory from the admin site, and I can click on this button right here to submit a new business. If I look, I'm looking at all the businesses. There's just one listed here. It's submitted by the admin, so the administrator is the one that created this. So I can easily create a new business as an admin, and here's the tools or the fields to fill out. Pretty straightforward, makes a lot of sense. The categories are blank. I haven't created any categories. Categories be used to organize your business listing. I'll leave that blank for right now. So that's how you add a business on the admin site, but let's show you how to do it on the family site. So we're here on the family site. We go to businesses, and again, I'm logged in as a member, and I click on the same type of button, click on businesses, and I can create my new business listing. This little first checkbox here is allow it to be displayed on the public website. If you leave it unchecked, only logged in families will see the business. If you check it, it'll be available to public. So I'll make it available to public. I'm going to put some basic info in here. Kind of my business. Grab a couple things that I've copied over. Just kind of show you guys how this works. Like I said, just some basic info we'll grab. Okay. There we go, and I can actually browse out and pick a logo. I'm doing that. I can put a description here. And if they had categories, I can select a category. So there we go. So I'm on the family site. I've submitted a business. Now it won't appear on the list until it's approved. So if I come back to the business directory over here, I'm on my admin site, I can actually see that I have one business waiting to be approved. I can click it. I can see that I'm logged in as George Washington on my family site. They're the ones that submitted it. And it's pending. I can change its status to either approved or I can simply delete it. I'm going to go ahead and approve it. There we go. Now it's approved. So now if I go back to my tools, business directory, I will see this new site out there that's been approved. And if I come back over here to my family site and refresh, I'll also see that as an approved business. Now an interesting thing here you'll see is that, again, the admin submitted this one and I cannot edit it. And because I'm logged in as a George Washington family, the one that submitted it, I can actually come in here and I can edit this and I can make changes to it. Okay, changes as needed. But there's the basic of how the business directory tool works. Now, when that family submitted a business, an email was sent to the site administrator, and you can change who that goes to. Again, back here on your admin homepage, go to Tools, and then Site Tools. You'll see this top field, Email Business Directory Notifications to. So this is who they're going to go to. Right now, they go just to the site admin, but I can change who those go to. Okay, so there's the basics of the tool. Again, remember I made this one available to the public. So if I were to log out and then go to businesses, I should see both of these. They're both available to the public. Let's say I inadvertently did that. Maybe I don't want life sites to be seen. I can come over here, business directory, and I should, as an admin, be able to edit this one, uncheck the public, and save it. Come back to the family site, refresh it, and there it goes. It disappears from the public website. And there's some nice little links here that will take you right to those things that you put in, whether it's your email address or their web page or whatever you put in when you submitted the event. Nicely organized. So the premise behind this was really family-owned businesses, families that are members of your website where they can submit their businesses for your other family members to see, but it's more advanced than that. You can use it for other things as well, but a nice display of your directory. And one other thing I wanted to show you is that the business directory tool is available as a widget. So I'm going to go to my homepage designer, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to my private homepage. Actually, I'll put it on, yeah, it's on my public. I will put it on the public homepage. So here we go. So I'm going to add the business directory widget, give it a name, okay, and save it. All right, so if I go back to my homepage, I should see the family businesses widget, and again, they can expand it if they wanted to see all the businesses, or they can click on just this one business and see the detailed info of that one business. So that's how the business directory tool works. Pretty straightforward. If you need assistance, come back to your admin homepage and click on the Create Ticket button.